Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into the world of olive oil and explore why it's the star of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet has long been praised for its ability to promote heart health, longevity, and overall well-being. But what makes this diet so special? At its core is one ingredient that shines brighter than the rest: olive oil. Unlike other diets that may rely on processed fats, the Mediterranean diet embraces extra virgin olive oil, which is rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. But what exactly makes olive oil the star of the show? First, it's a source of monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats that can lower bad cholesterol and help maintain good cholesterol levels. These fats are key to reducing the risk of heart disease, which is one of the reasons why the Mediterranean diet is considered so beneficial for cardiovascular health. Olive oil is also packed with antioxidants, like polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation and fight free radicals, those pesky molecules that can damage cells and lead to chronic diseases. So, olive oil doesn't just provide flavor to your meals, it also gives your body a major health boost. Now, let's compare olive oil to some of the other popular oils out there. We often hear about vegetable oil, canola oil, and even coconut oil. But how do they stack up against olive oil? Let's start with vegetable oil. Many vegetable oils are highly processed and refined, stripping away many of the nutrients. They are also high in polyunsaturated fats, which, while not harmful in moderation, are prone to oxidation when heated. This can release free radicals that are linked to inflammation and chronic illness. In contrast, extra virgin olive oil is cold-pressed and minimally processed, preserving its natural antioxidants and nutrients. Next, let's talk about canola oil. This oil has gained popularity because it's low in saturated fats and contains omega-3 fatty acids, but it's still often highly refined. While canola oil is marketed as heart-healthy, it lacks the abundance of antioxidants and polyphenols found in extra virgin olive oil. So, while canola oil has its benefits, olive oil's combination of healthy fats and antioxidants sets it apart. Finally, we have coconut oil. Coconut oil has been trendy due to its medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are said to boost metabolism. But here's the catch. Coconut oil is very high in saturated fats. While a little bit might be fine, too much saturated fat can raise your LDL or bad cholesterol levels. On the other hand, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can lower LDL and increase HDL or good cholesterol, offering a much healthier option for your heart in the long run. The benefits of olive oil. Now let's take a closer look at some of the specific benefits that make olive oil a superfood. First up, heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which plays a critical role in reducing inflammation and improving the function of blood vessels. Inflammation is a major contributor to cardiovascular diseases, such as atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, heart attacks, and strokes. By minimizing inflammation, olive oil helps keep the heart and circulatory system functioning optimally. Numerous studies have demonstrated that people who regularly consume olive oil have a significantly lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. One such study, published in the New England Journal of Medicine, showed that people who followed a Mediterranean diet enriched with extra virgin olive oil had a 30% lower risk of major cardiovascular events. Moreover, olive oil helps regulate blood pressure, reducing strain on the arteries, and promoting better blood flow throughout the body. Olive oil isn't just good for the heart, it's also a powerful weapon against inflammation, a key contributor to many chronic diseases. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil come largely from a compound called oleocanthal, which acts similarly to ibuprofen in its ability to reduce pain and inflammation. This makes olive oil a valuable ally in fighting diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and even cancer, all of which are linked to chronic inflammation. Inflammation is part of the body's natural defense system, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to a range of health issues. Regular consumption of olive oil can help keep inflammation in check by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory compounds. A diet rich in olive oil has been shown to reduce markers of inflammation, such as C-reactive protein, CRP, which is often elevated in people with inflammatory conditions. By lowering these markers, olive oil helps protect the body from the long-term damage associated with chronic inflammation. Olive oil also supports brain health. The antioxidants in olive oil may reduce oxidative stress, a factor in the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Some studies even suggest that the Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, is linked to better cognitive function and a lower risk of dementia. And lastly, olive oil is fantastic for skin health. It's rich in vitamin E, which nourishes and protects your skin from damage, keeping it youthful and radiant. So when you're cooking with olive oil, remember it's not just good for your insides, it's great for your skin, too. The smoke point of olive oil and how to use it. Now let's talk about using olive oil in cooking. You've probably heard people talk about the smoke point of oils. The smoke point is the temperature at which an oil starts to break down and release harmful compounds. So, where does olive oil stand? Extra virgin olive oil has a smoke point of around 375 degrees Celsius, 190 graun, which makes it suitable for most cooking methods like sautéing, roasting, or baking. However, for very high heat cooking, like frying, it might be better to use regular or light olive oil, which has a higher smoke point of around 465 degrees, 240 degrees Celsius. Despite some misconceptions, you can absolutely cook with extra virgin olive oil at medium to medium-high temperatures without losing its health benefits. And for those delicious raw applications, like drizzling over salads, pasta, or roasted vegetables, extra virgin olive oil shines, adding flavor and a nutrient boost. So, what's the best way to incorporate olive oil into your diet? Use it generously in salads, over grilled veggies, and as a replacement for butter in baking. You can even dip your bread in a bit of olive oil with some herbs for a Mediterranean twist on a simple snack. The key is to make it a staple in your kitchen, and your body will thank you for it. To wrap things up, olive oil is truly the star of the Mediterranean diet for good reason. It's packed with heart-healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that provide a wide range of health benefits. When compared to other oils, olive oil stands out for its balance of flavor, health-promoting properties, and versatility in cooking. Whether you're sautéing, roasting, or using it as a finishing oil, olive oil is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to improve their diet and overall health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on healthy eating and living. See you in the next one.